That morning ritual you've been enjoying for years? That sweet, fruity spread on your toast? It might be slowly poisoning you. The $1.2 billion jelly and jam industry doesn't want you asking questions about what's really in those jars. But today we're pulling back the curtain. Some of America's favorite brands are hiding up to 12 teaspoons of sugar per serving, and that's just the beginning. Stay with me for the next few minutes. What you learn might change your breakfast forever. Let's break down what's actually in that jar. Traditional jellies and jams contain 4 main ingredients: fruit, sugar, pectin, and acid. Sounds innocent enough, right? But here's where things get concerning. Most commercial jellies contain more sugar than fruit. That's why they taste so good. They're essentially fruit-flavored sugar pastes. A standard tablespoon contains around 10 to 12 grams of sugar. For perspective, that's 3 teaspoons of pure sugar in every spoonful you're spreading. Now let's talk about what separates the dangerous products from the safer options. The red flags you need to watch for. The first one is high fructose corn syrup. This processed sweetener has been linked to insulin resistance, obesity, and inflammation. Yet it's the first ingredient in many popular brands. Then there's artificial color, especially red 40 and blue 1. These petroleum-derived dyes have been associated with hyperactivity in children and have been banned in several European countries. We can't forget about the preservatives. Potassium sorbate and sodium benzoate can form benzene, a known carcinogen, when combined with vitamin C, which is naturally present in most fruits. Of course, artificial flavors are included. These chemical cocktails are designed to trick your brain into craving more, contributing to addiction-like eating patterns. But there are safer alternatives. Look for brands with the following: 1. Organic certification. 2. Fruit spread labeling, indicates less added sugar. 3. Short ingredient list with recognizable components. 4. No added preservatives. The best options have just 3 to 4 ingredients: fruit, fruit juice concentrate for sweetening, pectin, and lemon juice. Better yet, make your own. Homemade chia seed jam requires just berries, chia seeds, and a touch of natural sweetener. It takes 15 minutes to prepare and lasts a week in your fridge. The industry relies on confusion. They'll use terms like all natural or made with real fruit, while still packing their products with problematic ingredients. Remember, if sugar, in any form, is the first ingredient, put it back on the shelf. Use food scanning apps like Food Facts or EWG's Food Scores to quickly evaluate products while shopping. A rating under 7 means you should probably look elsewhere. Think beyond traditional spreads. Mashed avocado, nut butters, or even savory options like hummus can transform your morning toast without the sugar overload. But if you thought jellies and jams were concerning, wait until you see what we found in America's favorite chips. The ingredients hiding in those crispy snacks might shock you even more. Next week, I'll reveal which chip brands are using flavor enhancers linked to neurological damage and which are actually safer than you'd expect. You won't look at the snack aisle the same way again. Stay safe, stay healthy,